Yo, so listen, the people who run the world, right? They're they run the world. The pyramid on the back of the dollar bill, it got the eye on it. Those people who run the world, they are aliens now. They died and they went to the future, because when you die, you get to choose whether you want to go to the past or the future. But those was the first people who started this shit. This is what I'm trying to tell you. So they went to the future and then they enslaved the earth because they already knew if they didn't, what was gonna happen. So like I said, shit is crazy right now because this spiritual shit, this last eclipse, y'all, yo, our psychic abilities, it's like, it's over with. It's like our psychic abilities are, this is probably the strongest our abilities ever been, like, on this earth. Like, I mean, well, there's some people who frequency is so high that they always, you know what I'm saying? Because we got monks and shit all over the world that's spiritual on a frequency shit. But, yo, I could talk to whoever I want in the spiritual realm. I told you, I could just talk to Marilyn Monroe. It took, like I told you, the first time I ever talked to her, it took like a whole week for her to respond, but it was like a phone call. She just kept, it took a week, but she responded. And then it's just like, you just start having them conversations, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I don't know how to get in touch with these spirits. They died. They went to the future and enslaved us. And it's not even like that, because this is the thing. We are all God's slaves, period. I don't give a fuck if you got 100 billion. You're still God's slave. Because a sun, really? A sun floating up there? That's what y'all think this is? How is that sun floating then? How? Nigga, we are lost. We are all in the middle of nowhere. The earth is literally floating in a fucking universe. That can't be real. It ain't. I mean, the universe is real, but it's not real. So, this is what I'm trying to tell y'all. I know who Jesus was. That's why I'm the Antichrist. Y'all don't know who Jesus was. Y'all is worshiping the image of who people think the nigga was. I told you, the devil was a regular nigga. Not the mother. The nigga on earth, that's the Antichrist. I already told you who I am. Now that's up to you to believe it. You don't have to believe who I am. I know who I am. I know I'm the Antichrist. So you don't have to, I mean, if you believe it, then you on a train. So, I mean, following this page is not about believing it. People who follow this page, they know, people who follow this page know about magic. They really know that this shit real. So, like I said, everything that's going on, I'm telling you, Jesus' mother is reaching out to me, Mary Magdalene.